Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial component for anyone operating a DJI Matrice 600 Pro, the replacement aircraft arm kit, specifically the M1 piece. For professional drone operators relying on the Matrice 600 Pro for demanding tasks like cinematography, industrial inspection, or mapping, having reliable spare parts isn't just convenient. It's absolutely essential for minimizing downtime and keeping operations running smoothly. This particular item is described as an original and brand new accessory, which is a significant point. When dealing with a high-end, complex aircraft like the M600 Pro, using genuine or high-quality, compatible parts is paramount to maintaining the drone's performance, stability, and safety. The description highlights that this arm kit is designed to replace a damaged original, which is its primary function. Accidents happen, or sometimes components simply wear out over time due to heavy use or environmental factors. Being able to quickly and effectively replace a damaged arm is vital for getting the drone back in the air without lengthy repair processes or sending the entire unit away. The ease of installation is another key feature mentioned. For professional users, time is money. A complicated or difficult replacement procedure can lead to extended downtime. If this arm kit truly offers easy installation, it means operators can potentially perform the swap themselves in the field or workshop, saving valuable time and resources compared to more complex repairs. This ease of installation, combined with the fact that it's a direct replacement for the original, suggests a design that fits seamlessly into the existing structure of the Matrice 600 Pro. Furthermore, the description points to fine craftsmanship. This implies attention to detail in the manufacturing process, ensuring that the arm is not only structurally sound, but also meets the precise specifications required for the M600 Pro's flight dynamics. The Matrice 600 Pro is a large, powerful drone, and the integrity of its frame components, like the arms, is critical for stable flight, payload capacity, and overall reliability. High-quality craftsmanship suggests that the replacement arm will perform just as the original did, without introducing vibrations or structural weaknesses. The emphasis on high quality for professional use directly targets the M600 Pro's intended market. This isn't a hobbyist drone part. It's for serious work. Professionals need components they can trust under various conditions. The description also notes that the arm is durable, wear-resistant, and has a long lifetime. This speaks to the materials used and the construction quality, promising that the replacement arm won't just be a temporary fix, but a long-lasting component that can withstand the rigors of professional operation. Wear resistance is particularly important for parts exposed to the elements or mechanical stress during folding, unfolding, or flight. A long lifetime means fewer replacements needed over the drone's operational life, contributing to lower overall maintenance costs. In summary, for Matrice 600 Pro operators, having access to original, brand new, high-quality replacement parts like this M1 arm kit is indispensable. It's designed for easy installation, fine craftsmanship, and promised durability make it a practical solution for replacing damaged arms, ensuring the drone remains operational, safe, and reliable for professional tasks. It's a component that helps protect the significant investment made in the Matrice 600 Pro platform by providing a reliable path to repair and continued use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.